Okay, for number 1 problem, you're given the graph from -4 to 6 as shown in this diagram. You are asked to find the value of f of 2. So we shall write here, okay, we'll start with A. F of 2 is the y value when x equals 2. So you just look at your graph. So this is x and the corresponding y value is 6. So the answer is f of 2 equals 6. That's for part 1. For part 2, so skip for the next topic. So let me erase this one. F of 2 would mean f of the function of 2. And we know that the function of 2 is 6. So we are getting f of 6. The answer in letter A1. So f of 6, that is the value of x is 6. And what's the value of y? You cannot look up because the graph is touching this one. So that is negative. So f of 2 or f of 6 is equal to negative 2. Okay, for the second one, let g of x equal to 1/2 of x plus 1 for -4, between -4 and 6. On the axis above, sketch the graph of g. So first thing that you need to remember, to know, or to understand is that g of x is a transformation from f of x. So g of x is coming from f of x. What happens? What you did is you do the transformation here. You get 1/2 of f of x. And then you translated it one step up. So plus 1. So if your y here, f of x is y, no? F of x equals y. So if your y here is 4, and you get 1/2 of 4, you will have 2 plus 1 equals 3. So this will now go to 3. And then you look at this. You have here, your y is 6. So 6 times 1/2 of that. And then you translated it up. You will have it equal to 1/2 of 6 is 3 plus 1, 4. So it's gonna be here. Okay, so more or less you can do your graph like that, and you can choose this. This is also 4, so it will be here. And then you have here -2 as your y, so 1/2 of that is -1 plus 1 translation up. It will be 0, so it will be here. Okay, that completes our answer for problem number 1.